go as we'd like. All I wanna do is fight, say my farewells, pack up and leave tonight. Farewell. I don't wanna say goodbye, but sometimes things just don't go as we'd like. All I wanna do is fight, say my farewells, pack up and leave tonight. Check it out. Some things just don't seem the way they do. One day you tell me I love you and only you. I wake up to find out it was a dream. You're telling me you hate me, you're leaving me. People change, everything changes. We go from best friends, then become strangers. We go from seeing each other every day, then farewells and never seeing your face again. I can't get you out of my head, so I'm out of my bed at 4 in the morning wishing I was dead. But for some odd reason I can't do it. For some reason I needed to write what's on my mind and what's going through it. Cause if I don't I'll probably suffocate. Why do you have so much hate towards me? You need some loving, babe. God, I fucking love you. I hate myself for falling in love with you just to